flood watch in effect from this evening through Thursday evening. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood watch for portions of North and East Texas, including the following counties: in North Central Texas, Fannin, Freestone, Hunt, Kaufman, Limestone, Navarro, and Rockwall. In East Texas, Anderson, Delta, Henderson, Hopkins, Lamar, Leon, Rains, Van Zandt, and Robertson. From this evening through Thursday evening, rain totals of 3 to 5 inches are expected within the watch area, with localized totals over 6 inches possible. Flooding may occur in urban, poor drainage, and low-lying areas. Heavy rainfall may also cause flooding of creeks, streams, and rivers. A flash flood watch means that conditions are favorable for heavy rain, which may lead to flash flooding. You should monitor the latest forecasts from the National Weather Service and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued for your area.